Good morning, friends. This is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is for expiry day trade. So always we should be very careful on expiry day trades. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Let me move on to the Bank Nifty predictions first. So now we will open the Bank Nifty in trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally I will prefer for 45 minutes time frame chart. So because the reason is it will give more accuracy for our trades. So now Bank Nifty has opened now. So we will make the support and resistance level. The support level already was made the support level, and for resistance we are going to redefine the resistance level. So this is the maximum point the script can get resist. So I am going to mark these levels. This level is slightly differ from our yesterday's level. So I have covered wick to wick. So this is our resistance level. So now look at this heights. The Bank Nifty trade moved from 34,650 to 35,750, around 110 points it's moved. So there is again possible for 35,900 is possible. Then it will get some breath, I feel. That means it will get some retrace, then it can go up like that I'm getting feel. But if it's break this resistance level, we can expect a upside also. So I feel the market will go down and it will get retrace, and it will get the support from the support line, it will move further upside. That's what I'm thinking. In reality, how the market will behave, we need to see here. So I'm expecting the market will go like this, and again it will get retrace and it will move further upside. That's what I'm thinking for the upcoming week. But there is some other possibilities also. See here, look at this movement. Here we can see some consolidation, and after the consolidation I have encircled the area. So in the encircle area there may be get some consolidation. After that it will get breakout and it can move further height. That is also possible. So here I feel the consolidation should happen, then only there is a pulling pressure will be there for market to reach some more height. After the consolidation, the breakout should happen in our resistance line, that red line. Then we can expect a big up move. So here I have mentioned the market should break 36,200 is our resistance level. It should break first, then we can expect a big rally. Even the market can reach 37,800 also possible. Currently the market is trading with 35,750. So 37,750 means around 2000 point is possible. For that, this breakout should happen. Most probably this is can possible to happen. But see here, two ways the market can go. One is it will get retrace and it can go further upside. That is the first method. And if it is not coming upside, the market can go in second method. This is without consolidation method, but the second method is quite difficult to achieve. Market will not move that second method most of the probabilities. See here, I am going to change the color for retrace and again moving for further upside. I'm going to change in green color. So these two possible ways also can possible. Most of the probabilities are for upside movement only. Maybe in the upcoming days, maybe for 1 month trade. So we will wait and watch the direction of the market, and we can decide which way it is going to select. This is what I am expecting for Bank Nifty trade in the coming days and coming weeks. So now let's move on Nifty prediction. Let me open the Nifty in trading view window with the same 45 minutes time frame chart. So this is our setup, support and resistance. Currently market is in a resistance line. So when it's breakout, it will move further. So that height, how much it can possible to move, that we are going to define now. We are going to do some prediction method. In that prediction method, we are going to find how much the script can go further. So right now I'm going to draw the market movement. So further it can get retrace and it can get again boost up, and it can go to further heights. So that height we are going to calculate now. Look at this pattern. This is a ascending triangular pattern. So this pattern we will see in further slides. So I'm going to draw the height in the first beginning of the ascending triangular pattern. So this much height can possible to move. This height is 15,550 to 15,900. So around 450 points are there. So this 450 points Nifty can move further. Once it's breakout, we can expect this same 450 points. That is high probably possible. So the market breakout is around 15,900. If the market breaks this level, it can reach 16,300 or 350 also possible. So here we have some conditions. The market should break this resistance level. That is the only condition. If it breaks this resistance level, we can expect this big rally. For the longer time frame, market will move in upside only. I am predicting. We will see what will happen. We will wait for some 1 or 2 weeks, then we can have some clear idea for the longer time frame trades. So most probably we will be having some good opportunities in the upcoming days. So here this is the ascending triangle pattern. You can see in the top side resistance is in almost in horizontal. On the bottom side it is in inclined. So this form as ascending. And look at this first candle, first stretch. The similar stretches happened in the last side also. So we can expect the same stretch movement. So this is what we was made in our real time chart, and we was predicted the levels. So this is possible. These levels can be possible in the real time. So let me move on to have some more example in the real time market what was happened with this ascending triangle pattern. See, look at this Brillo Soft. In this Brillo Soft, it's formed as some ascending triangle pattern. Look at the first area, the height, the same height when breakouts, the same height it's reached. This is a one typical example. So coming back to our market now, the market can move upside and hit the target based on the ascending triangle pattern, and there is a possible for market moves in downside also. The condition is it has to break the support line. There is possible, but it's very less chance is there. And just coming to for tomorrow and day after tomorrow trade, I am expecting the market will go down or it will get consolidated near this area. So this most probably Thursday trades will give consolidate only, up and downs movement only it will do. So that can happen, or else it can go with some consolidations. After that it can move further down. That's what I am expecting for tomorrow, maybe for even Friday also. These two things can happen for upcoming 1 or 2 day trades. So be careful with tomorrow trades, because that is expiry day trade. So our premium will be drastically moves, volatility will be there high, drastically move higher or lower. So here I'm going to mark the downside. Here it is possible to hit our support line. The support line is our target line. If the market moves down, means the support line is our target line, and consolidate means look at this area. Maybe this type of consolidation can happen. The condition is here, the should not break this resistance level I have mentioned. The condition is market, if market has to consolidate or has to go down, it should not break the resistance level. That is the condition. So we can expect a target of 15,750. That is can possible within 1 or 2 days. Let's see in the real market tomorrow. So I am expecting the bank nifty 35,300 is possible, or it will get consolidated. In the downside, for nifty 15,750 is also possible. Let's see what will happen in the real time. So thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.